Today's video is tailored for a small business looking for easy and effective way to collect lead directly from their website. Discover how chatbot can help you gather valuable customer data, boost engagement. The chatbot save user information to database, transmit the data via API and display it on your website and dashboard. That's you are looking on screen dashboard for seamless analytics. Manage and contact user efficiently, keeping track of all interaction in one place. Just quickly, I will go the what the data I collected so far from the chatbot. So this is the data I have collected from the chatbot so far. Suppose I have a website. Let's take this is my uh, real estate website I have created just for demo purpose. So this is a website, and here you can see a chatbot widget. Click here. When you click here, when the customer lands on your website and he clicks here, and he can start chatting. Like customer gets the welcome message. This is a real estate website, so we can provide the some menu items here, so we can lead the customer to particular, like if the customer wants to buy a home, sell property, or just browsing or more information. When you click more information, you will get the all the detailed information of the website. It's a like a generative AI. It will generate based on this content. So it is using a like a rack concept. I don't want to go in uh, technical details. So it will get the all the information from the website, and it will give the answer in personalized way, in human, like human interaction kind of thing. So like when the user click the buy a home, so it's asking user another question. Okay, what type of property are you interested in? Like single family, condo, townhouse, land? Yeah, let's click single family home. It's asking me location. So provide any location like New Jersey. Provide the budget of your single family home, 650K. So it's asking how many bedrooms, other amenities, and other requirements. Give 6 bedrooms, 6 beds, 4 baths, and large backyard, swimming pool. You can provide whatever information you want, you can provide. Like user can provide the information. It's asking name. So we'll provide the name. Like you can give any name. Uh, I can give Tom. Actually, this all information is going to store in the database. It is going in the Excel sheet, and you can see the data here also. One row will be added here somewhere. Okay, and it will go to the database also. Here it will add it in the database, and you get the email notification also, something like this. Like user get the notification, something like this. Thank you for your submission, and the owner also get the email notification. Like here, email. It will get the notification of the to the owner of the website. So let's continue. Provide name Tom. So here we don't have any name with Tom. Okay, click here. Phone number. If user is really interested, he will provide phone number as well. I'm going to take this email as a customer is providing this email. Suppose I am the user, and I'm providing on my email. So I will get the notification. As soon as I click, I will get the notification in my email, and another email sent to the uh, like owner of the website, notifying that somebody added a like a row or added or on your chat they added information, and they will get a if somebody is working on your, I mean, like your um, employee is working on website and he's taking care of the customer management or CRM or something like that, he can see the new data, pending data. So let's click here. You see we have 12 rows, and as soon as I click, it will flow into the Google Sheet. Data will come into the, you see here, data added here. Okay. Now here there is a database. You have 13 rows. So now just click here. You see here row is added with bunch of information. So you can put all the information, all the detailed information. So here it's pending. Okay. So what happened? We enter all the detailed information here. Like we ask location, budget, like how many bedrooms, name, phone number, and email ID. We got all the information. Before clicking this one, I want to show you here. So last row we have David, and here you see Tom. We can change the enable the dark background. So here you see this one, Tom here, with the email, with the phone number, all this information, which user field here. You see 650 Edison, location is Edison, New Jersey. His budget is 650K. User is looking for 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, his name, his phone number, his uh, email ID. So this is the sample that we can use for real estate, but it is not only for the real estate, but it is for all the small website, uh, the business website, that can increase customer engagement through personalized interaction, save time by automating data collection and follow-ups, provide 24-hour service to answer questions and assist user, build trust and loyalty by making every user feel valued. Like here, if you see here, if you go here, uh, you can see new lead added. So there is thank you email also. You can see that one. This is the notification to user, so that user, uh, mm, we can build trust and loyalty by making every user feel valued. It's very automated, like hello Tom, thank you for your submission. Here is a summary of detail you provided, all the detailed information like single family home, location, budget, home needs, name, phone number, that is we are providing to the user. And here there is another email hero added to the sheet by Tom. That is the notification, and we can see here all the detailed information, and the person who is your employee or somebody or you yourself, you're looking here on dashboard here, and just try to contact him, call. We can provide the call option here as well, or we can connect it to the existing CRM, and we can call from directly from here once we contacted, and we can change the status to contacted. Okay, click contacted, and here it's happening in real time. So here it's pending now. Just refresh it. So you will see this one, this row, Tom, and status is pending. Just now we change it to contacted. See, it's going to change. So this is the chatbot that does not just collect the data, it turns the data into actionable insights, here you see dashboard, helping you grow your business while saving time and effort. Priority 2 contacted, how many? 6 contacted, and is still 6 pending. So we have to contact 6 more customers, and the budget, everything, and how many people are buying home, how many people are selling home, land or business, land or condos. So I'm just collecting data for the buying home only, and you can provide more insights here, which location people are buying home. All the insights you can get here, actionable insight here. You can collect a lot of data. So this is the, I mean, chatbot in action, and it provide the data collection, user input directly from your website. Uh, you can add data in the Google Sheet, uh, like information is automatically stored and updated in the Google Sheet. Real-time display data is sent via API and database, display on the web page with user detail and dynamic dashboard like this. And chatbot is always available for 24 hours and ready to provide instant answer, improving customer satisfaction, view detailed reports, track inquiries, monitor engagement metrics all in one place. So this is a perfect for any small business or website looking to increase customer engagement through personalization, interaction, save time by automating data collection and follow-ups, provide 24-hour service of answer questions and assist user. And obviously we are building trust and loyalty by making every user feel valued. So whether you run an online store, e-commerce, or real estate, or dentist, or physician, or local service, or any small business, this chat can adapt your needs and help you grow. So here I said that we can even schedule appointment also. If someone wants to schedule an appointment, click here. It will open a uh, like a schedule website. You can click here, or you can just, it will take you to calendar where we can select date, time, next, and you enter all your information. Enter, user will enter the information, and you will get the event. So this is just a test event I'm providing. So this is the power of chatbot. If you have any question or queries, you can answer in the comment. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.